So Samsung just dropped the official teaser for the Galaxy Z Fold 7's Unpacked event, and yeah, there's a lot happening. We've got a hands-on video showing all the major design changes, some sweet pre-order perks, and a wild engineering breakthrough that, let's be honest, no one thought Samsung would ever pull off. So let's get into it. What's up guys, Sal here. So Samsung's Unpacked event is officially locked in for July 9th. The teaser's out, and once again it's highlighting just how thin the Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be. What's interesting is they're using the phrase the Ultra unfolds, but again the official images still label it as the Z Fold 7. Now quick heads up, Samsung's launching 6 devices at the event: Fold 7, Flip 7, Flip 7 FE, the Watch 8 lineup, and maybe tease their first ever trifold phone, kinda like what they did with the S25 Edge. Pre-orders go live the same day, July 9th, and the devices should hit shelves 2 weeks later. Now here's some great news for you. If you're even thinking about getting the Fold 7 or any of these devices, now's the time to act because Samsung's offering early reservation perks just for reserving, which is totally free by the way and only need your email address. You'll get a $50 free Samsung credit, a chance to win $5,000 and 3 times Samsung reward points in your pre-order purchase. Plus you'll also unlock savings of up to $1,150 during pre-orders. That likely includes trade-in bonuses and other credits, which I'll explain in a second. But even if you're not sure you'll buy the new foldables, it's still worth reserving because again, it's free, you can win $5,000 if you're lucky, and hey, there's zero commitment. The link to reserve is in the description if you want to check it out. Now what about freebies or pre-order perks? Well, Samsung hasn't officially announced them yet, but if history repeats itself, we can expect the same goodies they offered with the S25 Ultra. That included $300 in Samsung credit, which you could use towards storage upgrades, accessories, or even Samsung Care Plus. It's safe to assume they'll offer something similar this time, especially considering the higher price of the Fold lineup. And the trade-in offers? Expect those to be just as aggressive. Last year, Samsung offered up to $1,200 off when trading in high-end phones like the Fold 5 or S24 Ultra. So if you've got a Fold 6 or S25 Ultra laying around, get ready for some serious value. Also confirmed through internal codes in Google's own app that Samsung will be including free access to Gemini Advanced or Google AI Pro for 6 months as part of the pre-order bonuses. That's $120 in value for free, which is a nice little perk, especially if you're curious to try out Google's best AI features without paying extra. And remember, the $50 reservation credit stacks on top of everything. So yeah, if you're even slightly considering the Fold 7 or even the Watch 8 lineup, it's a no-brainer to reserve early. Alright, let's talk hardware because this year's Fold isn't just about getting thinner, it's getting lighter too. And weirdly, no one's really talking about that. According to Ice Universe on Weibo, the Z Fold 7 weighs just 215 grams. That's a massive 24 grams lighter than the Fold 6. To put it in perspective, the S25 Ultra weighs 218 grams. So yeah, the Fold 7 is somehow lighter than Samsung's own candy bar flagship. That's insane. A few months ago, if I told you an 8.2-inch foldable would be lighter than a regular phone, you would think I lost it. But here we are. Honestly, it's kinda wild to think about that. It's like Samsung finally stopped being lazy and actually refined the design. Took them a few generations, but hey, we'll take the win. We also got a hands-on look, well, a video of a dummy unit of the Fold 7 where it's being compared directly to the Fold 6 and the S25 Ultra. This gives us the clearest idea yet of how big and compact the Fold 7 really is. Unfolded is almost as thin as the S25 Ultra, but here's the thing, it's also significantly wider. Side by side, the Fold 7 and the S25 Ultra look shockingly close in overall footprint. Compared to the Fold 6, the differences are massive. Now of course, making it foldable that's this sleek comes with a few compromises. And the biggest one? That camera module. It sticks out a lot more than before. It's seriously chunky, but hey, on the bright side, Samsung ditched those black camera rings from the Fold 6 and the new design looks way cleaner. Small win, but still. And before I go, yeah, I've actually seen the real Z Fold 7. I've got pictures, I'll share more on that tomorrow. Can't promise I'll share the full images because, well, let's just say it's risky. but I'll drop whatever I safely can, so stay tuned. In the meantime, if you want to see the official images of the Fold 7, click right here and I'll see you there.